In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating intersection of game theory and lean startup culture. Both concepts have gained significant traction in the business world, and we'll delve into how they can synergistically foster innovation and adaptability. So let's dive right in.
Got a coffee break? Embrace your inner wolf, step up. Forget titles and hierarchies. It's all about problem solving. Lead or follow to ignite outcomes. Play your part, embody our brand. Zero excuses. Build your wolf pack, savor victory. Validate your expertise, attain mastery. The road to freedom awaits. Engage, flaunt our brand. Unleash your power at buildyourwolfpack.com. Unleash now at buildyourwolfpack.com.
Number 8. Key concepts in game theory. To grasp the connection between game theory and lean startup culture, we first need to understand what game theory entails. Game theory is a mathematical framework used to analyze and predict the behavior of rational decision makers in competitive situations. It explores how individuals and organizations make strategic choices based on their assessments of potential outcomes and the actions of others. Game theory encompasses several key concepts that are relevant to our discussion. These include players, strategies, payoffs, and equilibrium. Players are the entities involved in the game, which could be individuals, companies, or even countries. Strategies refer to the courses of action available to players, and payoffs represent the rewards or outcomes resulting from those actions. Equilibrium is a state where no player can improve their position by changing their strategy unilaterally. Number 7. Core principles of lean startup culture. Lean startup culture revolves around several core principles. The first is building a minimum viable product, a basic version of a product or service that allows entrepreneurs to gather early user feedback. This feedback is then used to refine and iterate upon the initial concept. The second principle is the use of rapid experimentation to test assumptions and validate hypotheses. Finally, the lean startup approach advocates for a pivot or persevere mindset, where entrepreneurs are willing to change direction if necessary based on feedback and market conditions. Number 6. Key benefits of lean startup culture. Let's explore some of the most significant advantages. Faster time to market. Lean startup culture emphasizes the concept of minimum viable product, which involves quickly developing and launching a basic version of a product or service to gather customer feedback. By focusing on essential features and functionality, entrepreneurs can reduce development time and get their offerings to market faster, gaining a competitive edge. Cost efficiency. The lean startup approach promotes a resource-conscious mindset. By starting with a lean MVP and gathering customer feedback early, entrepreneurs can avoid wasting resources on building full-scale products that may not resonate with the market. This allows for more efficient allocation of resources and minimizes the risk of costly failures. Customer centricity. The foundation of lean startup culture lies in understanding and meeting customer needs. By actively engaging with customers, gathering feedback, and iterating based on their insights, entrepreneurs can develop products and services that align closely with customer preferences. This customer-centric approach increases the likelihood of achieving product-market fit and building a loyal customer base. Innovation and creativity. The lean startup approach encourages experimentation, creativity, and out-of-the-box thinking. By creating an environment that values new ideas, rewards innovation, and supports risk-taking, entrepreneurs can foster a culture of innovation within their organizations. This enables the development of unique solutions and positions the organization as a driver of industry disruption. Number 5. Decision-making and strategy. Game theory's focus on decision-making and strategy aligns well with the lean startup approach. Both emphasize the importance of making informed choices based on available information and expected outcomes. Entrepreneurs can apply game theory concepts to assess potential risks, analyze competitive landscapes, and strategize their market entry and expansion plans. In the context of game theory, decision-making refers to the process of selecting a course of action from among multiple options. Players in a game analyze the available strategies, assess potential outcomes, and make decisions based on their understanding of the game's rules and the behavior of other players. The goal is to maximize their payoffs or rewards. Strategies in game theory, are the predetermined plans of action that players adopt to achieve their objectives. Players strategically choose their strategies by considering the potential actions and reactions of other players. These strategies can range from aggressive approaches aimed at gaining a competitive advantage to more cooperative tactics aimed at fostering collaboration and mutual benefit. Game theory provides analytical tools to evaluate the potential outcomes of different strategies and assess the risks and rewards associated with each choice. Decision makers can use techniques like payoff matrices, game trees, and equilibrium analysis to gain insights into the likely consequences of their decisions and the strategies of other players. Now, when we bring lean startup culture into the picture, decision-making and strategy take on a slightly different perspective. In the lean startup methodology, entrepreneurs are encouraged to make data-driven decisions based on customer insights and market feedback. They aim to develop a deep understanding of their target audience and identify the most effective strategies to meet customer needs. Number 4. Customer validation and feedback. Lean startup culture's emphasis on customer feedback and validation also finds resonance with game theory. By engaging customers and obtaining their insights, entrepreneurs can gather valuable data that aids in strategic decision-making. Game theory provides a framework to analyze and interpret this feedback, allowing entrepreneurs to make data-driven choices and optimize their offerings. Customer validation refers to the process of gathering feedback and insights directly from potential customers or users of a product or service. It aims to validate or invalidate the assumptions and hypotheses made by entrepreneurs regarding their target market, customer needs, and the value proposition of their offering. In the lean startup methodology, entrepreneurs seek early customer validation to ensure they are building products or services that effectively address real customer pain points and provide value. This approach contrasts with traditional product development models that often involve spending significant time and resources building a fully featured product before seeking customer feedback. Number 3. Adapting to market dynamics. Both game theory and lean startup culture recognize the importance of adaptability in a dynamic business environment. Game theory equips entrepreneurs with tools to anticipate and respond to competitive actions, while lean startup culture encourages constant experimentation and iteration. By embracing both approaches, entrepreneurs can stay agile, quickly adapt to changing market conditions, and seize new opportunities. In lean startup culture, adapting to market dynamics involves embracing a mindset of continuous learning, experimentation, and iteration. Entrepreneurs actively seek feedback from customers and stakeholders to stay attuned to evolving market needs and preferences. Entrepreneurs use customer feedback and market insights to refine their products or services, enhance features, and adapt their offerings to better meet customer expectations. They embrace a pivot or persevere mindset, which means being open to changing direction or making significant adjustments to their business model if market feedback suggests it is necessary. Additionally, lean startups often emphasize rapid experimentation and prototyping. They develop a hypothesis about their product market fit and test it through small-scale experiments. The results of these experiments inform their decision-making process and guide them in adapting their strategies based on real-world feedback. Entrepreneurs who effectively adapt to market dynamics leverage market intelligence, customer insights, and strategic decision-making. They stay flexible and responsive to changes, quickly adjusting their strategies and business models to seize new opportunities and mitigate potential risks. Number 2. Real-world examples. To solidify our understanding of the practical applications of game theory and lean startup culture, let's explore some real-world examples. Uber and dynamic pricing. Uber, the ride-hailing giant, employs game theory principles to determine its dynamic pricing strategy. By analyzing supply and demand data in real time, Uber adjusts prices to incentivize drivers during peak hours while maintaining affordability for passengers. This adaptive pricing model not only maximizes revenue, but also ensures a smooth experience for both drivers and riders. Dropbox and the minimum viable product. Dropbox, the cloud storage service, exemplifies the lean startup culture's MVP principle. In its early stages, Dropbox released a simple video demonstrating its core functionality. This allowed them to gauge interest, collect user feedback, and refine their product based on customer needs. The lean startup approach, combined with strategic decision-making informed by game theory, played a crucial role in Dropbox's success. Conclusion: game theory and lean startup culture, although distinct in nature, share common ground when it comes to fostering innovation and adaptability. Game theory provides valuable insights into decision-making, strategy, and competitive dynamics. By applying game theory principles, entrepreneurs can strategically analyze market conditions, assess potential risks and rewards, and make informed choices to maximize their chances of success. Lean startup culture, on the other hand, emphasizes customer validation, feedback, and adaptability. It encourages entrepreneurs to engage customers early in the development process, gather feedback, and iterate rapidly based on market insights. This customer-centric approach enables entrepreneurs to build products and services that align with market needs and preferences, reducing the risk of failure and increasing the potential for long-term success. When combined, game theory and lean startup culture create a powerful synergy. Entrepreneurs can leverage game theory to analyze the competitive landscape, anticipate the actions of competitors, and make strategic decisions that align with market dynamics. They can then apply lean startup principles to validate assumptions, gather customer feedback, and adapt their strategies and offerings to meet evolving market demands. We hope you found this exploration insightful and inspiring for your own entrepreneurial journey.